Hey, just got another email from one of our visitors from the mid-Atlantic part of the country, and he says, I have a 10 by 16 foot deck that I'm about to replace the decking and the railings on. The deck was built before I bought the house, and they used 16 foot 2x6s for the joists with a spacing of 22 inches. I want to replace the decking with composite decking, and I read that you need a minimum of 16 inches spacing. Since I plan on adding a joist in between the current ones, giving me a spacing of 11 inches, could I use a 2x4 or should I stick with 2x6? So I think he's referring to the type of deck boards. And you know, with composite boards, you never see them spanning more than 16 inches. And sometimes, and if you're putting them on a 45-degree angle, they recommend that you bring the joists into 12 inches. So with that kind of a synthetic material, I would definitely stick to those recommended maximum spans of 16 inches. However, when you bring the joists into 11 inches, as we see here, and I'm using 2x4s to simulate 2x6s, so just assume those are 2x6s. If we were to take a 2x4 and place this on the framing like that, I can tell you from my years of experience that this is going to be more than sufficiently strong, more than sufficiently strong. However, I caution you, I would say that you probably shouldn't just take my word for it as the gospel. You should verify with the local code official if you've got a code official that's going to be coming around and checking up on what you're building. But I would be shocked if there's contradiction to what I'm suggesting here, because this is just a very robust construction method. The tightness of those joists, the thickness, you know, 1.5 inch material, you should be just fine. So hopefully that helps you, and do check with your local code official to verify that what I'm suggesting would apply in your area. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more in-depth articles or to check out cool new products, visit our blog or our store at DecksGo.com. And be sure to keep an eye out for us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.